if I take an example where some data is given and I want to calculate the probability. 1000 families with 2 children were selected randomly and following data were recorded. The data is number of boys in the family and number of such families. Number of boys 0, that is there is no boy, all that is both the children are girl, that is 0 boy. How many families are such? 140. Where only one boy is there? 560 families. Where 2 boys? How many families? 300 families. So what kind of questions can be produced? What is the probability of getting no boy? That is 0 boy. So this will give you how many families are having no boy. That is 0 means no boy child. That is the answer is coming 140 upon 1000, because 140 are such families which are suiting us. 1000 is total number of families. Answer is coming 0.14. What is the probability that there is only one boy child? That is giving us how many families are 560 upon total 1000. Answer is 0.56. How many families are having both the child boy? That is 300 upon 1000. So answer is coming 0.300. Now the probability of getting at least at least one boy, that is 2 cases, either one boy or 2 boy. So for this it is 560 one boy, 2, that is 300 for both boy. So probability of at least one boy is both the cases are to be added upon 1000. So answer is 0.86. 560 plus 300 is 860, divided by 1000 is 0. Now probability of getting at most one boy, that is either one boy or less than it. That's why these previous 2 cases needs to be added. So it is coming 140 plus 560 upon what? 140 plus 560 upon 1000. This is 500, 600 and 700. 0.700. So some sort of tables you can draw, you can see, and as per requirement of question you can strike by just one formula, that probability is what? Total number of favorable chances upon total number of chances, that is sample space. That is probability of not happening is 1 minus probability of happening, or probability of happening is 1 minus probability of not happening.